We are in Hoover Wilderness and we are about to climb over the Sierra Crest up over into Yosemite Wilderness, where we're going to stay for one night, and then the plan is this evening to hike up Matterhorn, and then tomorrow we'll continue the loop around back into Hoover Wilderness, passing a ton of lakes, ton of other big rocks. We're thinking it'll be about 25 miles, so let's get going. We are walking through the little slide canyon right now, and it is absolutely amazing.
It's awesome.
So we have the Incredible Hulk Peak.
It's the shiny gray rock.
The shiny gray rock. Looks so insane. It's also quite exposed, and it is a pretty warm day, so definitely feeling a little hot.
Best water in the world right here. Now approaching Incredible Hulk.
We passed a couple climbers coming down from it, and I've seen some climbers on the surrounding peaks. Where are we headed right now?
Yeah, we got Maltzby and then Ice Lake.
And then the Sierra Crest.
Sierra Crest, yep.
Okay.
It's been about 2,500 feet of climbing, 5 miles in.
So here is Maltby Lake, and we didn't realize it was so far kind of off the trail, so we're gonna save our legs and just keep going. This is Ice Lake. It's so blue, and no one is here.
Couldn't ask for a better day. Goodbye, Hoover Wilderness. Hello, Yosemite.
Here we are, officially in Yosemite Wilderness.
Now we're making our way towards Matterhorn.
Gonna find a campsite.
Yeah, find a campsite.
That's really our next big mission, I think.
Yeah, find a campsite, eat some food, chill for a little bit, and then start the climb to Matterhorn.
Sawtooth Ridge in all its glory. There is Matterhorn right at the end.
So I just realized today marks 1 year since I fractured my left ankle in Yosemite. That was in the Grand Canyon of the Tuolumne, and it just it's like a redemption trip for me, being back in Yosemite. My left ankle's feeling better, so it's a great day to be out here. And so 3 things that really helped me with my ankle. Number 1, because I end up walking 23 miles out of Yosemite
So
after
insane.
hurting my ankle. Going and cold plunging in all the lakes definitely helped with the inflammation, and really having to have that mental toughness to push forward and take things slow. But after that, that was the start of the season, and I had multiple trips coming up, and I ended up going on every single trip, and unfortunately, ankle did not feel good, but I sucked it up and kept moving. So that would be number 2, just stay active, stay moving. And number 3 was yoga. Yoga has helped with the flexibility and being able to transition onto my toes and my ankles, and everything's gotten so much stronger. And even just climbing uphill used to hurt my ankle, but now it's like night and day difference.
So proud of you.
Thank you. Happy trails.
Here we go. Are you kidding me with this campsite?
We're gonna set up camp and try to hurry up top of Matterhorn.
Yeah, we gotta get to it. The best campsite ever. We have Finger Peak right there, and we've got the whole Sawtooth Range behind us. Look at that. Anyway, now we have to hustle because we're going to try and make it up Matterhorn, or as much as we can. So we've hiked up, and this is Matterhorn Canyon. We have a whole other view of new mountains now. And then here to the left is Matterhorn.
The plan is to make our way up this rib, and it looks crazy steep, but it's all doable. So once we get up there, we'll just slowly make our way up to the very top, and then there's a little last couple moves climb on the summit block. So
we totally got this.
Yep, let's get after it. Well, we close to 11,000 feet right now. Matterhorn right up there, it's about 1,300 feet to go, but as you can see, there's this kind of rain cloud coming in, and it's making me a little nervous. Might go up a little bit higher, but if it keeps coming this way, I think it'll be smart to climb it another day.
Yeah, it's crazy because it just appeared out of nowhere. It's completely blue skies, but that's the mountains.
You can't control Mother Nature, so rather be, what was our motto, right? Stay safe, stay strong, stay stoked.
Exactly. This could be dumb.
Alright guys, so we are officially calling it. Just the cloud keeps getting darker and darker, and we do not want to be up there when it rains. You could have a great plan, but Mother Nature will, dictate what you end up doing. So yeah, I think it's better to climb another day.
We will be back. Well, at least we have an insane campsite to go back to. We are in our tent.
Making food.
And yeah.
And hiding from the mosquitoes because they're pretty bad right here.
Yeah. But we were still able to watch the sunset from inside the tent. So that was nice. I think we're going to keep our rain fly off tonight.
I'm gonna check the weather with Garmin, the InReach, and I don't know. If it says it's gonna rain, then we won't. But if it doesn't, then we'll probably be okay. And then if we wake up in the middle of the night and it's raining, be a fun story. I'm eating Peak chicken Alfredo pasta. I like
Classic.
these because they have 48 grams of protein.
I have this, and it has 30 grams of protein.
It's been a long day. We got up at 4 a.m., a 3.5 hour drive to get to Bridgeport. Started hiking around 8:30, and This area is special because the granite is so white. You know, we went to Big Pine last year and it just feels different. So super special place.
Morning! Welcome to our little breakfast nook. How'd you sleep, Dylan?
Had a bunch of crazy dreams, but I actually slept better than I did the night before.
Yeah, it was nice. We had full sky of stars. Milky Way was literally right in front of us, right above us. So that was cool. So on this trip, we're trying out a cold breakfast where we don't have to use our stove twice for coffee and for breakfast. And I found this powdered milk packet. It says toddler milk, but we're just going to ignore that because really the ingredients are just organic whole milk. And then I have some granola, and I'm just going to mix the powdered milk with cold water and make like a little cereal. Looks like cereal. What did you think about it? Good?
It's like honey oat granola. Remind me of like a donut. So, backcountry donuts.
Would you rather hike in the sun or the wind? Like, serious wind.
Sun. 100%. Makes your ears hurt. Can't think straight. Sun makes you sweat. But, I don't know. Feels good to sweat.
I agree. I would choose sun. The wind just makes things feel chaotic. Sun all the way. Let me know what you choose in the comments.
So we're at the top of Mule Pass right now, just soaking in these beautiful views of Sawtooth Ridge, which is right above me, and then you got, you know, Matterhorn way over there, and then Finger Peak. I love it here.
Leaving Yosemite Wilderness, entering Hoover. Whoa. That looks insane. It's so turquoise. Every corner out here you just turn and there's a new lake.
Surprise behind every turn. Robinson Lake. 7 more miles to go to the car.
Another unnamed lake. What the heck, Dylan?
I don't know, it's even better in person, you know?
Speechless! Yeah, this video just doesn't even do it justice. Crown Point on the right. Feeling really glad that we did the loop the way we did it on the other side first, because we are currently going down, and have been for a while, so many switchbacks, and it would have been really brutal to come up this. We made it to Barney Lake. So nice. Making our way down this end of the loop, so we have a different view of the Incredible Hulk now. And then soon we will rejoin the part of the trail that we started with. Rule number 57 of backpacking, always bring your raincoat.
Always bring your raincoat and have it at the top of your bag.
Mine was at the bottom, the very, very bottom.
Dig.
Here is that original left turn we made to get into Little Slide Canyon. So this is now the original part of the trail that we did at the start.
Yep, 2 more miles back to the car.
Here we go.
Onward.
Final push. Oh, name a better feeling.
Eating a big fat burger.
Feels like we've been gone for days.
It does. It was a lot to unravel, you know. It was a big journey and yeah, feeling pretty beat up. You know, we did 26 miles, about 6,800 feet of elevation gain loss. So
I have sunscreen in my eye. Ah!
Sunscreen issue.
We hope you've enjoyed following along today's adventure. We have a big trip in 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.